Well, friends, we're having some serious wind here at SM Heartland. As you can see here, it's blowing the awning off. It's blowing the skirting off. Blowing over at least one tree here. That tree came short of hitting the camper. It's been this way all day today, folks, and we're just sort of wondering if it's going to get any worse. This last gust just shook me out of the camper. I mean, it tore the awning apart. I'm going to have to go ahead and take that off and secure it so that no further damage takes place. I don't know, can you tell? Can you tell that it's windy here, folks? And this is finding out that some 70 people were killed in Kentucky since last night. Well, this is another page in the book for us here at SM Heartland. We're almost into the 13-acre house, folks. Maybe another couple of days we'll be moving in. I'll send you some footage. This is kind of a surprise, but I'm still editing that footage. I just wanted to pop in here and let you know what's going on right now. So, folks, be kind to one another. Love always wins. It will always win. See ya.